Hello and welcome. Today I will be unpacking this Hoover Generation Future Unpluggy Power Without Limits cordless vacuum cleaner. The model number is UNP204B. The charger to it, the handle, the main body, the instruction book, and the main head. The push bar looks like it will come out quite easy by just turning here and then coming out. So to assemble it, first of all, push the head onto here so it stands upright. Then remove the screw out of here and slide the handle on. And put the screw into the back like so. Bits off. So the first setting is for hard floors, so it's just suction. And the next setting will put the brush bar on. It also has 2 speed settings, so you can turn it up. There we are. Thank you for watching my video. If you have liked my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.